Hello everybody. Today we are going to solve some extra questions from chapter number 6, that is materials around us. So here I have made for you a worksheet which has MCQ, around 15 MCQs. Then we have a lot of fill in the blanks, 20 fill in the blanks, 20 true and false, and 15 question answers. So all these covers your extra question from chapter number 6, that is materials around us. So let us quickly go through the objective questions at least. Okay, so the first question, you have to choose the correct answer. The first question says materials that shine when light falls on them are called. So what are the materials that shine when light falls on them are called? Your options are given over here: hard materials, lustrous materials, transparent materials, or opaque materials. So the correct answer is lustrous materials. Always remember, lustrous materials are those materials that shine when light falls on them. Okay, now coming to the second question. Which of the following is insoluble in water? Insoluble means that does not dissolve in water. Does not dissolve in water. All right. So which of these does not dissolve in water? Salt dissolves in water, sugar dissolves in water, lemon juice also dissolves in water. So the correct answer is sand. Okay. Number 3, the unit of mass in SI system. So in SI system, what is the full form of SI? System International. Okay, so in SI system, the unit of mass is kilogram, which is also written as kg. Okay, number 4, which among these is a translucent material? Translucent material are those material that allows partial light, that allows only some amount of light to pass through it. Amount of light to pass through it. Okay, so if using a translucent material, if you use a translucent material, that you cannot see through them very clearly. You can see through them but not very clearly. So which of these should be the correct answer? Butter paper. Window glass is transparent, you can see clearly through it. Wooden board is opaque, you cannot see through it at all. Iron plate is also opaque, you cannot see through it at all. So the correct answer is butter paper. Number 5, matter is anything that occupies space and has mass. So the correct answer is both A and B. Which of the following material is non-lustrous? Non-lustrous means that does not shine. Does not shine when light falls on it. Okay, so which one of these is the correct answer? Paper. Number 7. The earliest pottery in the Indian subcontinent dates back to the Harappan civilization time. That is 7,000 to 8,000 years ago. Okay. Number 8. Which of the following is not a material? Wood is a material. Cloth is a material. Plastic is a material. Chair is an object that is made up of one of these material, maybe wood or plastic or any other material. Okay, so chair is not a material. A cricket ball cannot be used to play tennis because it is too light, it is too heavy and hard, it is made up of cloth, it bounces too high, it is too heavy and hard. Option B. Number 10. Which property tells us how heavy or light an object is? The mass. The mass of an object tells us how heavy or light an object is. When you are unable to sit because bags are kept on the seat, this shows that bags is occupying some space. Okay, so option number B. Number 12. Which of the following bottles indicates volume? 1 liter water bottle, 1 liter, that's volume. 500 ml, also volume. 200 ml is also volume. So the correct answer is D, all of these. The unit of or to measure volume of liquids. How do you measure volume of liquids? In liter or milliliter. The correct option is liter or milliliter. C. Number 14. The space occupied by matter is called volume. Number 15. Materials through which we can see clearly are called transparent materials. Opaque, you cannot see through them clearly. Translucent, you can see through them but not clearly. So the correct answer is transparent. C. Now coming to fill in the blanks. Any substance that is used to create an object is called a material. You can also call it a matter or a material. Okay. Pots made by baking clay are called terracotta. Terracotta. Glass, water, and air are example of transparent materials. You can see through them. So transparent. The space occupied by matter is called its volume. Salt and sugar are soluble in water. They dissolve in water completely. Oxygen gas dissolved in water is essential for plant and animals living in water. Materials that do not shine are called non-lustrous. The method of arranging materials based on their property is called classification. Classification. The property that tells us how heavy or light an object is called mass. Unit of mass in SI system, kilogram. You can also write it as kg. The units to measure volume, we just saw liter or milliliter. You can write it in full. Okay, liter, L-I-T, milliliter. Milliliter. All right. Anything that occupies space and has mass is called matter. Okay. When the first tumbler is half filled and the second tumbler is almost full, it indicates that dash of water in both tumblers are different. The volume of water. An object which is heavier has more mass, while lighter one has less mass. Materials through which we can see clearly are called transparent. Butter paper is an example of translucent material. You cannot see through it clearly. Wooden board is an example of opaque. You cannot see at all through it because it does not allow light to pass through it. Materials that do not disappear in water are called insoluble in water. They do not dissolve in water, so they are insoluble in water. Materials that shine when light falls on them are called lustrous materials. Metals are lustrous materials, though not all metals. Okay. Frosted glass allows only some light or partial light to pass through it. Why? Because frosted glass is translucent in nature. Now coming to true and false. Number 1. Different sport balls are made up of different materials because of their different purposes. True. All objects can be made using the same materials. No. False. Some very large storage jars from Harappan times are exhibited in National Museum in New Delhi. That is true. You can see them. The method of arranging objects into groups is called classification. True. Iron is non-lustrous material. False. Iron is a lustrous material. A pillow is soft. True. A pillow is soft. Transparent material allow all light to pass through them so that we can see clearly through them. True. Pebbles completely dissolve in water. So, can pebble dissolve in water? No. False. Volume is measured in Liters and milliliters, not grams and kilograms. So false. Rubber is harder than sponge. Absolutely. But softer than iron. True. Water is an example of an opaque material. No, water is an example of transparent material. So this is false. All gases dissolve in water. No, there are some gases that does not dissolve in water. Which gas dissolve in water? Oxygen. Oxygen, and there are many other that can dissolve in water, but not all gases that dissolve in water. All that glitters is not gold. Means all shining materials may not be metal. True. Some metals do not shine. Mass is the property which tells us how heavy or light an object is. True. Volume is the quantity of matter present in an object. No, mass is the quantity of matter present in an object. So this is false. Matter is anything that occupies space and has mass. Absolutely true. A bottle labeled 500 ml indicates its volume, not mass. So this is false. Bags kept on seats in the classroom shows that bag occupies space. True. Heavier object has more mass, not less mass. They have more mass than the lighter one. So this is false. Sand and sawdust are insoluble in water. Not soluble. It is insoluble. They do not dissolve in water. So this is false. Similarly, you have some question answers over here. Please go through it, and if you have any problem, just let me know in the comment section. Then I will upload the answer for the same. And also, students, if you find difficult to take it down from here, then what you can do is I'm uploading the PDF of the question answers in the comment section and also in the description box. You please take it down from there. Okay, you can download it from there. Thank you. Please keep watching my channel, subscribe and share it with your friends.